So this is for anyone working on your vehicle, right? You want to figure out how to do something, but maybe you don't have a vehicle guide or a handbook or just really detailed pictures or specifications on your vehicle, what to do, what specs to tighten it to. So I found a kind of hidden vehicle repair guide on AutoZone.com that is actually not too bad. Obviously, there are a little bit better ones that you can purchase, but for this one being free, it's a really great repair guide. And I'm just going to walk you through how to find it on AutoZone.com because, like I said, it is a bit hidden. So here we go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open the menu and scroll down to Repair Help. Once you see Repair Help, click on it. It'll bring you to this page. You'll have one pop-up. You can close that out. And then scroll down to Repair Guides and click on My Vehicles. Once you click on My Vehicles, you'll notice mine's already in there, but on the top right you have Add a Vehicle. That's where you'd add your vehicle. And then it would show up here under your selected vehicles. You would then click Vehicle Repair Guides, which will bring you to the table of contents, showing you everything in the vehicle repair section. You'll see here, I clicked on suspension, and as I click on specific parts of the suspension, it shows me how to remove it. It shows me any diagrams it has. I can click on them and enlarge them. And then it also shows me how to reinstall it. If I scroll down far enough, there'll be an uninstall and an install, right? So it shows you how to take it apart and put it back. You can add as many vehicles as you like to this. At the top, you'll see here, I'm just going through the different sections of suspension. This is the rear suspension. Then down here, I have specifications. So if you want to know your torque specifications, or your length, or your height, or anything that has to do with your current vehicle's stock suspension, it'll give you all that information. Then you can go to the top and click on Back to Table of Contents. It'll bring you back to the table of contents. Once you're back to the table of contents, you can go to any section you like. And you'll be able to see anything you want for your vehicle. You can add as many vehicles as you want to this. Like I said, hopefully this helps you if you're fixing your vehicle and you don't have the manual. A little hidden, but this should show you how to do it. Until next time, have a great day.